It's okay? So I'm Pierre Olivier Claire, responsible of research and development at Ateis. And I would like to present you today a new product we developed this year here in France. The name is Prima. It's a small standalone voice alarm system for evacuation and also for all PA features. It's based off 6 amplifiers according to the AN regulation. The possibility to assign all the knobs on the front panel to different functionalities like level adjustment, like source selection. The product is built has been developed and is built in France. Okay, I don't know.
What's your website?
What about?
What's your website? Website?
Ah, oh, I don't know. I don't know. The website?